Hello, Erratic. I found your app on Hacker News and your request for a review, so I will be reviewing your app for you. If you'll give me just 10 seconds, I'll show you. I'm going to be using an application called Moustachio that I've been working on. And real briefly, this is Moustachio lets you share a URL with a friend, family, or colleague via your social networks or other standard channels, and it allows them to simply kind of freeform review your site, or it allows you to ask them to perform a specific task while you watch. So, thank you. So I'm going to go to your app web cache. So I noticed right off the bat you've already modified this page since last night. I'm sure that was based on some feedback. However, I feel like now it's very textual, and I don't want to read all this. Your form is really the most important thing, and this is where I should be to start. So I think some changes to be made here is you've got a product name and a logo. Put them together. Your next important thing is what you are. So this is really one of the most important things on the page. Make it the biggest font on the page is really, I think, would have been helpful. I don't care about much of any of this. I know you've got some security concerns because you put it here and here and here, so I'm sure that's been brought up on Hacker News probably. I think it's important to note that, but I just think it's kind of buried. I don't want to read all this. So when I come to your site, I should see the form and I should see your header. Maybe something like, I'll just hack to the page. No, I want to see what's important. Get rid of all the extraneous stuff. Somehow tell me that it's going to be safe. I understand what pick a subdomain name is. I don't need the instructions, so I can put something in. I change this to connect your Dropbox. It's fewer words, it's letting me know what's going on. I understand what this means without having to, be explained. There's a big problem with this being third. Let me explain. So I'm going to enter something in here. Moustachio 2. The first time I did this, I didn't read it. I put in a subdomain, I hit submit, it brought me to Dropbox Connect, I connected. I never saw this because why would I, step 2 is hit submit, so I hit submit. I don't care about step 3 yet. And this is very important stuff down here because otherwise you're going to get what I got. I didn't know what was going on. So let me go ahead and show you. Submit brings me to Dropbox. I understand this isn't your page, that's alright. Let me see if I can get logged in this time. This never works. Alright, I'm in. So, this is your standard OAuth authorization page. We see them all the time with Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, your Google Contacts. Because I've seen it so many times now, I didn't read it. I immediately understood what this was. I did not read any of this, which is, again, very important text that explains what's going on. It's very specific to your application because I've never connected with Dropbox before. I think this information is very important and it needed to be on your page, which I don't even have anymore. So my tab that had web cache is now Dropbox, so I can't even go back to that easily. So I'm going to allow it. I'm in I'm in the site that you created now. I'm not in Dropbox. I'm not on web cache. I'm on your site. I hardly have any clues to what. The first time I got here, I didn't know what just happened. I looked at the URL and I figured out what's going on. So I'm like, okay, I'm on my new site. What can I do? How can I modify it? Where is this? So obviously, I'm going to click README. Big problem. There's nothing useful here. I still don't know what's going on. I'm not in Dropbox and I'm not on your site, and there's nothing. I can't edit anything. So, oh, that doesn't do anything. So I had to go digging around. Let me pause this while I go back. So I went back to Dropbox. I found the apps web cache. I was confused because I uploaded a site before I started, thinking I could kind of choose this, and that was not the case. So let me upload my file. I've only got a few seconds left of this recording, so I'm going to upload index.html because that's the page you should see when you upload. If I hit upload and go back to my site, when I get back to the site, it doesn't show me index.html, which is the default page that I don't see. So again, I was confused. I figured it out, but there's some room for improvement. So good luck. I hope to see this again soon.